Hello, today we'll be doing question number 27. So in this question number 27, it has been said that the arithmetic mean of the numbers 9, 12, 15, 18, 20 and 22 is increased by 1 if 15 is replaced by 16, 17, 19 and 21. Okay, so let us proceed. So the first arithmetic mean, if it is suppose the first arithmetic mean if it is given by x, so x will be equal to 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 plus 22 divided by 6. So let us find out the value. So this will be 9 plus 8 will the 9 11 11, then 16 16 8 24 24 0, then 0 24, then 26. So we'll have 26 and 2 goes over here, 2 will be in the outside. So 1 plus 1 2 2 3 3, then 5, then 7, then we have ultimately 96 by 6. So this will be equal to 16. So original arithmetic mean is equal to 16. Now if we replace 15 by some other number, in that case the arithmetic mean increases by 1. So new arithmetic mean, which you can write that new arithmetic mean will be 16 plus 1, which will be equal to 17, and this will be equal to 9 plus 12, and sub 15 is replaced by some new number, suppose y, plus 18 plus 20 plus 22 divided by 16. So this sum above will be equal to, we have to just subtract 96 minus 15, so this will be 81 plus 1, 81 plus y by 16, and this will be equal to 17. So this will 17 into 16 will be basically equal to 17 into 16. This will be equal to, sorry, I committed a mistake over here. As you can see, I wrote 16 over here. This will not be 16 but rather 6, since there are 6 numbers. So this 1 is cancelled out, we have 6 over here. 17 into 6 will be basically equal to 60, and then another 42, so 102. Okay, so 102. So this will be 102 will be equal to 81 plus 1, and that ultimately leaves us that y will be equal to 21. So if we replace y by 21, 15 by 21, in that case we get the required structure that we are hoping. So option D over here is the correct option.